Ini komitmen saya untuk Lampung dengan 8 program utama. Panggilan jiwa dan semangat untuk mengabdi kepada rakyat Lampung terus menyala. Dengan segenap pengalaman yang saya miliki, saya berjanji untuk tulus melayani rakyat sebagai Gubernur Lampung periode 2019-2024.
Welcome to Dinas Tanaman Pangan and Hortikultura Lampung Province at Zainal Abidin Pagar Alam Street No. 1, Rajabasa, Bandar Lampung.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tabe pun Lampung Province at tip of Sumatra Island and have total area 35,000 km square and also have population 9.7 million of the people. Lampung Province consists of 13 district and 2 city and also have 228 sub-district. Lampung Province is world food reserve for the food crop like rice and secondary crop like palawija and also horticultura like fruit and the vegetables. Under leadership Gubernur Mr. Arinal Junaidi and also Vice Governor Mrs. Husnunia Halim have vision to establish Lampung to the best, and also they have mission to establish society, agriculture, economical.
Agriculture is the main sector of the economy in Lampung Province. The development of farmer or NTP exchange rate in 2018 grew by 0.72 from 2017. The average value of NTP was 105.92 and was ranked number 1 in the Sumatra and ranked 4 nationally. The potential of rice fields in Lampung Province is 408.37 hectares, consisting of irrigated rice fields of 192,925 hectares and non-irrigated rice fields amounting to 216,460 hectares. Non-paddy agricultural land amounting to 2,229,194.6 hectares and non-agricultural land 679,572.2 hectares. So that the total provincial Lampung land is 3,370,092.8 hectares. In 2018, Lampung had IP 2.08 and an increase of 19.54%, so that rice fields could be planted by farmers mostly in Lampung Province. The contribution of increasing national production to Lampung Province food crop community in 2018 in accordance with the 2018 forecast number is as follows. The wetland community ranks 7, wheat rice ranks 5th, cod ranks 3rd, soybean ranks 5th, cassava ranks 1st. Of the 15 regencies in Lampung Province, there are 8 districts that have IP above 2, namely West Lampung, Mesuji, Waikanan, Pesisir Barat, South Lampung, Pesawaran, North Lampung, and Tanggamus. Meanwhile, the other 7 districts range from 1.8 to 1.94. The priority program of the horticultural developer in Lampung Province in 2018 is the form of chili areas, salad areas, garlic areas, citrus areas and other fruit areas with special efforts or funded also with state budget funds. Lampung Province in the development of the food crop subsector was focused on increasing superior community production, which included rice, corn, soybeans and cassava. In addition, Pekalongan Subdistrict, East Lampung has become a center for fruit seeds nationally, which includes durian, mango, rambutan, kelengkeng seeds and others.
To the chief vision and mission that I would like invite all of you, the farmer and the stakeholder in the agriculture, together with us, working so establish Lampung to the base will be success. Thank you.